If you want to update the PHP version in cPanel on Bluehost, this video will walk you through the process step by step. Changing your PHP version can help improve website performance, fix compatibility issues, and make sure your WordPress site or other web apps are running on the version they need. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy web hosting and website management guides. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Bluehost account using your normal username and password. Once you're inside your Bluehost dashboard, look for the hosting section. From there, click on cPanel. This is where Bluehost gives you access to a lot of advanced website settings, including PHP management. Now that you're in cPanel, scroll down until you find the software section. Bluehost organizes tools into different categories, so take your time and look carefully. In the software area, you'll see an option called MultiPHP Manager. This is the tool you need to change the PHP version for one or more domains. Go ahead and click on MultiPHP Manager. After it loads, you'll see a list of your domains. If you manage more than one website, this is where you can choose exactly which domain you want to update. Select the domain you want to change by checking the box next to it. Once your domain is selected, look for the PHP version drop-down menu. Click that drop-down to see the available PHP versions. You may see multiple options depending on what Bluehost currently supports on your account. Choose the PHP version you want to use. If you're updating a WordPress site, make sure the version is compatible with your theme, plugins, and any custom code you may be using. After selecting the new version, click Apply. This tells Bluehost to save the change and assign that PHP version to the selected domain. Give it a few moments to process the update. Once it's done, your domain will now be using the PHP version you selected. If your site uses cached data, it's a good idea to clear your browser cache or any website cache afterward, so you can confirm everything is working properly. And if you notice any issues after changing PHP versions, you can always come back to MultiPHP Manager and switch to another supported version. That's it. You've now updated the PHP version in cPanel on Bluehost. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in performance and compatibility. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.